Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's the girl, Lady M here, and in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you another foundation review, first impressions, and today it's going to be all about the Chanel Les Beiges Healthy Glow Foundation. It's supposed to be a hydrating foundation that has long wear. And so, yeah, I'm testing it out. I picked it up a couple months ago. It's not a new foundation. It's just new to me. And I wanted to test it out on camera to see what my thoughts are and give you guys my first impression. But per the usual, before we get into today's video, if you aren't already subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you are already subscribed, then make sure you also hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever new videos go up. All right, so if you're interested in seeing what my first impressions are, what my thoughts are on the Chanel Les Beiges Healthy Glow Foundation, then keep on watching. All right, guys. Whew. I am putting on some lip product. This is the Dior lip glow oil, lip glow oil. This is in the new shade Clear. Basically, I'm just using my stash. I've had a lot of foundations in my stash that I have not used yet that I am trying to use. So why not just sit down and record and give you guys that type of video. For my primer today, I'm going to be using this new primer from Dior. It's the Forever Skin Veil Primer. It is a corrector, protector, and an illuminator, and it has sunscreen. It has SPF 20. So that's going to be my primer today. This is what it looks like. So most correctors kind of have that color. I have used this, I think, before, and it gave me like a white cast, but it blurred. I guess the white cast kind of comes from the SPF in it. So, I don't know if it affected the foundation, but you guys can see I look ashy. I look white. So I'm going to try her out. And my shade in the foundation is BD121. And then I'm also going to be using this Sheer Healthy Glow highlighting fluid. And that's also from Chanel. And I'm gonna start by just putting this on top of the primer, but just on the high points, of my face. That's just where we're gonna test out this glow thing to kind of see what that's going to look like under the foundation. And I don't really know why it came right there. I don't really need it right there, but just going in and blending that out. Using my hands, don't want to really use a brush. Because as they say, your hands is the best tool. So, does it look like I have a glow? I don't know. But I don't even know what this primer is looking like on my skin. I can't really see anything. And all I have is just those white casts. But yeah, I guess I kind of have a little healthy glow. I'm going to be using this Wayne Goss brush. I picked up the Wayne Goss new brushes. So I have this number, the number 2. And that's what I'm going to use to blend out the foundation today. All right, so let's get into the foundation application. All right, again, I have a friend that has used this foundation before and she raves about it to me. So I don't even know when I got this. I want to say I got this I don't know, earlier in the year, but recently, but earlier, after she had told me about it. And I have used Chanel foundation before. I have the Le Tint, the matte one, and I usually wear that in the summertime when I'm outside, because that foundation is really matte and it stays in place. So I have used the Le Tint before, the Le Tint Ultra or something is what it's called. And so yeah, that is usually like my summertime foundation, and it photographs very well. So I don't even know why I didn't pick this up. And this is not the older one, because I do know that they reformulated this one. The first one they phased out, and then they came out with this one. So yeah, nice. I probably would say this is like medium coverage, really. And okay, so this is the Wayne Goss 02 brush. This is from the new Goss Edit collection, and that's what I'm gonna be using to kind of blend this out. I was looking for my mirror, my handheld mirror. This is a natural hairbrush. It's so soft, y'all. I think it is squirrel. How do you say it? Squirrel? Squirrel hair. Squirrel hair brush. So yeah, I'm excited to use this brush. I have some of Wayne Goss's brushes before, so this is not my first time using his brushes, but this is the first time using this new brush. And definitely it's like really sheer. Like I would say medium coverage, but like skin-like. Look, there you can see, and this and that. So I should probably use a synthetic brush on the other side. See if the brush did a different type of application. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Sephora brush, which I just happen to have right here in front, and let me blend that out, comparing if the brush made a difference as far as the amount of coverage that I got. And it looks like it might have, y'all. So now, definitely feel like I got same medium medium coverage on both sides. I just got my brows touched up, and I got these fine bumps right here. And that's what happened to me the first time that I had my brows done. So I'm gonna have to go in with my La Mer concentrate to kind of help everything heal nicely. Okay, so that is one application, and it's okay. Like I don't usually mind, I don't really need full coverage, but it looks good. I can see the glow for sure, as the foundation is called Healthy Glow, so I can totally see the glow. But you know me, I'm extra, so I'm gonna go in with another pump. Oh God, I almost like got that all on me. Oopsie. Okay, let me blend that out. And on this side, I'm just gonna use my Sephora brush instead of using the Wayne Goss brush. Yep. That's what I think I'll do. I'm going in over here for more. This is a lot more, but oh well. All right, I'm gonna go and blend this out, and then I'll come back with the finish, blend, and then concealer. I'm gonna go in with the pumpkin from Fenty first, and then I'm gonna go in with my Dior concealer afterwards. Okay, BRB. All right, so I have done my concealer, set my under eye. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm going in with this LYS setting powder, and this is in the shade Ambition, which is for medium to tan skin tones. And I'm gonna be using my Sonia G Master Face Brush just to go in and set everything. And just pressing this powder in on my face. Going over the, oh, I did go in with my cream bronzer too, guys. I did use the Soul as per the usual. I also recently picked up the new Chanel cream bronzer. They have a new shade out, which is supposed to be for deeper, well, I'm not gonna say deeper, but it's a darker color. The first color they had was more called Universal, so now they have a darker color. So I picked that up, so I'm gonna be doing a comparison video. I'm just waiting on it to arrive. Going in on my forehead, and then I'm gonna be comparing it with the one that I have been loving and using, and that is the one from Soul Body. All right, so that's basically it. I didn't want to put too much setting powder because I didn't really want to change the foundation, but this is looking pretty good. So now I will be back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes off camera. I'll be back to show you the finished look and show you what the foundation is looking like, and then give you my first impressions. Okay, so important with all kind of foundation is you really wanna see how it blends when you put, you know, powder products on top. So I'm just going in with my bronzer. This is my Dior bronzer, of course, y'all know. If you know, you know. And so that blended out nicely. For blush, I'm gonna be using one of my Pat McGrath blushes. That is Paradise Venus. And I already have swatches already. Going in with my brush, my Smashbox brush, and just, and this is the Demi Matte finish. Ooh, yes. This is like the perfect everyday color. Like, look at the pigment that's on the brush. I dipped back in again, tap, and there she goes, gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna finish off, set my face and everything, and then we'll come back with my final thoughts on the foundation. All right, guys, finished look with the foundation, and I'm looking at myself in the monitor and in my mirror right here, and I like the foundation. It still has a glowiness to it. It's not like all the way matte, and you guys know that I went in with a setting powder, but I don't know if that setting powder is like a mattifying kind of powder. You know, some setting powders will change the finish of a foundation, and I don't really think that the LYS did that. I do think that it did kind of lock everything down, and you know, I can appreciate that very much. I would say the foundation is gonna give you more medium coverage, but it is buildable. I think it's this, like it says, healthy glow. So it's not gonna give you that caked on, that, you know, full coverage, like I'm wearing a lot of foundation kind of look. It's going to just be like more skin-like and like more, you know, just healthy glow, healthy glowy skin. So I would say, you know, and I do like the highlighter. The highlighter you know, it's maybe that's why I feel like I have this nice glow going on, because I did put the liquid highlighter down, you know, but I'm not all the way sure. But either way, I am very pleased with the foundation. Y'all don't want to know. I probably had it for maybe about 4 or 5 months and I've never used it, and I'm really working on using stuff when I first get it. So I do have a lot of things that I haven't tried that's just been sitting around that I'm going to start working through and just filming with it, just, you know, to know if I even like it and if it's something that I need to put in my rotation. So this is definitely like, you know, barely, but there, it feels like I have nothing on, guys. It feels really good. Very lightweight. Yeah, definitely maybe like a winter foundation, because, you know, in the wintertime, your skin is, you know, you need that hydration, you need that glow. I don't really know if it's something that I would reach for in the summertime, daytime, maybe nighttime, you know, going out. But so far, I do like it. It's definitely giving me like your skin, but better. So yeah, that's it for my video today on the Chanel Les Beiges Healthy Glow Foundation. It gives you hydration and long wear. I can't read anything else on the box, but it does say medium, share to medium. And I do agree with that. I do agree with the, you know, healthy glow part of it. I will test it to see about the longevity, the long wear, and it literally feels, my skin feels hydrated. I don't feel dry. I feel like I have nothing on, and that's kind of what I'm going for these days. All right, so let me know if you've tried this foundation from Chanel. It's not new. It's new in the sense that it's new to me, but it's not like a new foundation launch. So I'm just trying it for the first time. So this is my first impressions of the foundation. If you guys own it and you wear it, definitely let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. You know, do you like it? Is it like, when do you wear it? Summertime, wintertime? Like, tell me what your thoughts are. Also, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell. That way you will become part of the Lady M fam. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for your support and thanks for watching. Bye.